Hello my dear children, this is my class 12th chapter going on is chemical kinetics. On that day we have completed the derivations of integrated rate law method. Let us start the numericals. Write down numericals of integrated rate law method. Integrated rate law method. Let us start the first numerical. Open your NCERT textbook. This is a very important numerical, and every year the numerical come from this topic, integrated rate law method. First of all, write down numericals of the first order reactions. Now this is your NCERT book in my hand. I've started your numerical. I'm taking the numerical number is 16. Open the NCERT book, chapter chemical kinetics. Numerical number is 16. The question is, the rate constant is given 60 per second. How much time will it take to reduce the concentration to 116? Whenever the numerical comes, the first step you will see whether the rate constant is given or not. If the rate constant is not given, then first of all you calculate the rate constant. Is it okay? In this numerical, the rate constant is given. Let us start the numerical. K is equal to 2.303 by T log. It's an initial concentration when the time was 0. Now it's a concentration after some time. Now your K is given. You have to calculate the time. That means your K of the 16 numerical is 60 per second. You can write 60 per second. It is equal to 2.303 by time. I think we want to calculate the how much time will it take to reduce the concentration to 1/16th. That means what was the concentration when the time was 0? It just write A naught, because the rate constant of the first order never depend upon the A naught. It will cancel. So A is 1/16th of A naught. A naught always cancel. So no need to write A naught. Just write A naught. No need to put the value of A naught, because it will cancel. Rate constant, on that day in my last lecture I drawn a graph even where the rate constant was independent on the initial concentration. So this is your comes T is equal to 2.303 by 60, and it's a log 16. So you can open the log at the back side of the NCERT book. See what is a log 16. So 16 is a 2 digits, 2 significant figure. It will come 1 point, whatever the value of 16 log. You can check from that is NCERT. At the last of NCERT, the log 16 must be given. It is in my hand. It is, I think it's 2041. It's 20 or 2941, whatever, it is not visible to me. So 2041, so write down whatever it is, log 16. So you multiply this by 2.303 by 6, your answer will come in second, because your rate constant is in per second. This is the most simple numerical, the basic of the numerical I have taken. Now write down this is the numerical number 16, and now I am taking the numerical number is 19. Now numerical number 19 is, now numerical is your, if first order action takes 40 minutes for 30% decomposition, calculate constant first. Always calculate the constant first if it is not given. K is equal to 2.303 by T log A naught by A. So K is equal to 2.303, whatever the time given you can put here. Time of this numerical is 40 minutes. You put here 40 minutes log. It is 30% decomposed. It is 30% decomposed in 40 minutes. You put here always A naught, right? And here you put what left. 30% decomposed. Always write what left. 70% of A naught. A naught always cancel. So your answer come K is equal to 2.303 by 40, that is log, that is 100 minus log 70. Log 100 minus log 70. 100 is 10 raised to power 2, 2 log 10. So 100 is 10 raised to power 2, that is 2 log 10 is 1. That means it is 2 minus 70. 70 is a 2 digit, 2 minus 1, 1. 1 point whatever is the log of 70, you can write here, and after calculation your k will come. Then the question is also calculate the half-life. Half-life of the first order is 0.693 by k. So very important numericals. I will take 5-6 numericals, and after completion of all these I will give the assignment where you will solve it, and the problems you will ask. Now this is your first step. K is not given, then calculate k first. In 40 minutes 30% decomposed, what left? 70%. After taking log, calculate k, and after calculating k, apply the formula. Half-life is 0.693 by k, answer comes. Now I am taking the numerical number next. Your numerical of the next is now in a serial order I am going, so you also go along with me. First of all 16 numerical, then is a 19 numerical. After that I am taking your numerical number 24. 24 and 25, one in the same thing. You may take any of the numerical. 24. In the 24 numerical, the k is given. Calculate the concentration of A which left after 100 seconds. Write on question number 24. NCERT topic is integrated rate law method. Now I am taking your, it is your k is equal to 2.303, 24th numerical it is. Log A naught by A. I think you want to calculate A, so make it like this. Log A naught by A is equal to K into T by 2.303, making A naught by A is equal to anti-log of K. What is the K given in your numerical? You can take the K in the 24th numerical is 2 into 10 raised to power minus 2. Put here 2 into 10 raised to power minus 2 per second. And what about timings? Timing is 100 seconds. Same units. Units cancel. Divided by 2.303. After calculating this, whatever the answer comes, take the antilog. Log and antilog. I have explained you one time. That is, you can open my link where I have explained log and antilog. And what is the A naught? If A naught is given, you may put, I think it is given, its initial concentration is 1 mole per liter. Your next step is 1 by A is equal to antilog. It's antilog of this calculation. So after that you can go by the calculation of A, and A is the concentration which left. Now in the same type there is a numerical number is 25. Same category, you attempt the numerical number 25 yourself. Now I am taking a very important numerical. So numerical number is 20, and 20 numerical I am taking. 21 you will take yourself. 20. In the 20 numerical there is a given decomposition of isopropane. Write down azo nitrogen it is, isopropane. When decomposed, it gives you hexane and nitrogen. Hexane and nitrogen, and it is given, it is a first order reaction along with the table given. Now it is your initial timing 0, 360, 720 is given, and even total pressure is given. The question is calculate rate constant. It's a new type of numerical. You will write when the time is 0, the pressure is PI initial pressure, and the product is 0, because at a time 0 there was no product. When your time is 360 second, when the 360 second passed, it becomes small letter p, some of the product will come out, and the same product will deleted, that gets subtracted from this pi minus p. That you know we have done already in class 11th chapter law of mass section, that is chemical equilibrium. This is pi minus p plus p plus p is equal to, let us check how much total pressure is given after 360 second. It is 54 millimeter. You write 54 millimeter. PP cancel, your answer will come pi plus p is equal to 54. Pi plus p is equal to 54. Pi is the initial pressure, which is given. Let us check what is the initial pressure when the time was 0. It is 35 given. 35 plus P is equal to 54. You calculate small letter p, it's 54 minus 34. 54 minus 35. So I think it's clear now. Reaction is given. Pi 0, Pi minus P. After 360 second, total pressure 54 given. Initial pressure 35 given. You calculate small letter p, 54 minus 35. It is your 19 millimeter. Next, after that you apply the formula, same formula, to calculate K. K is equal to 2.303 by T log, what was the initial pressure? Pi divided by Pi minus P. This will you will write of the reactant only. At time 0 it was Pi, after 360 seconds it is Pi minus P. Okay, now you K is equal to 2.303 by 360 log, what is the initial pressure given? 35. What is your Pi? Your Pi is 35 minus 19. Again listen, your initial pressure is 35 given. Let me check again. Initial pressure is, yes, it is 35 given. 35 minus small letter p is 19. That comes 35 divided by 35 minus 19. Do the calculation, your answer will come. You do this calculation taking the log, and after multiplication your answer will come in, that is second it is, so your answer will come in seconds, because 3. In the same way you will apply 760, that is whatever it is given, 720 or 760, same, it is just repetition. It's a very important numerical, so I think it's clear now. Same type of numerical I am taking one more, that is example. Write down little difference. I am taking example. Open the example number. There is inside there is one example. So I am taking this very important category. This is your example number is 6. You write example 6. There is a reaction given. Write down reaction is 6 an example. Reaction is your 2N2O5 arrow 2N2O4 plus oxygen. This is the reaction given and same type timings given and the pressure given. The question is calculate the rate constant. Same type of numerical, but it's little just differences. Write down time 0. It's Pi. It's small letter p and small letter p. And what after time? What time given? You can check what is the timings given in the set. It is 100 second. You write 100 second. After 100 second it is, you are now to check it is 2 moles. You write it 2p. Just for this is the difference. 2p. Here it is 1 mole, it is single p. Here it is 2 mole, it is Pi minus 2p. So it is very much clear now. Okay, it's 2p, it's 1p, it's Pi minus 2p. So write down Pi minus 2p plus 2p plus p is equal to, let us check whatever the total pressure given after 100 seconds, it is given 0.512. It is in which unit? Millimeter, atmosphere. 0.512. Write down 0.512. 2p cancel. Your answer will come Pi minus 2p and plus 2p cancel. Your answer will come Pi plus p is equal to 0.512. Calculate small letter p, and your small letter p is, I'm going to rub it. Your small letter p is equal to 0.512 minus Pi, and it is 0.512 minus 0.5. That is 0.012 atmosphere. I think it's clear now. Now after that, after calculating small letter p, it's you apply the formula K is equal to 2.303 by T log of reactant only. It is Pi divided by, after 100 seconds is Pi minus 2p. You put the value, K is equal to 2.303 by 100 second log, your Pi was 0.5 and here it is 0.5. minus 0.012. So you calculate it, take the log and do the calculation, your K will come in seconds because 100 seconds is given. Is it okay? This is numerical, same type of numerical is an exercise that I have already given. Now I am taking next category. Open the exercise again. In the exercise, the numerical number I am taking is 19, 19. 19 I have taken, sorry, 18. In the 18, we will drive a theorem, that is that they are saying we will make two occasions, one for 99% completion and second for 90% completion. Right, question number 18. 99% completion. T99% is equal to 2.303 by K log A naught by 1% of A naught. I think it's clear. 99% completed. What left you will put here? 99% completed means just 1% left. A naught cancel. Your answer is log 100. 100 is 10 raised to power 2. Answer is 2. So T99% is equal to 2.303 by K multiplied by 2. Because log 100 is 10 raised to power 2. Make it equation number 1. In the similar way, make another equation where there is a 90% completion. Write down 90% completion. T90%, 90 it is now. It is 2.303 by K log A naught by 10% of A naught. Because when 90% completed, what left? Just 10% left. So that is your log 10 will come. Log 10 is 1. So that comes T90% is equal to 2.303 by K multiplied by 1. Make it equation 2. You divide these two equations. T99% divided by T90%. I think it's very much clear. Your T90, it's twice 2. 2.303 and 2.303 K will cancel. It's a 2 by 1. So your answer will come T99% is equal to twice of T90%. Okay, so this completed. I think let us read this numerical, what this numerical was saying. We have derived that the numerical was saying. The numerical is for the 99% completion, it will take twice the time than the 90% completion. So with that, you have completed your integrated rate law method basics numericals. The detail more numericals we will take later on. So I will send a lecture related with some difficult numerical of the competitions. So these are basics numericals of the CBSE. So I'm sending you the numbers of the numericals. You please calculate those numericals at your home. You can attempt numerical number 13 by yourself, 13 and 21 of exercise as well as of 25. This completed your integrated rate law method thoroughly of the first order reaction. Now I'm taking your topic is next topic. Write down Arrhenius occasion. Arrhenius occasion. It is the dependence of the rate constant on temperature. I will drive this today and we will start with the numerical tomorrow. That is in the next lecture. So it's a relation between a rate constant and temperature. Arrhenius occasions. Let us start Arrhenius occasion. So it's K. Arrhenius is K is equal to A. E minus EA by RT. All the theory part I will take in my next lecture. EA is the activation energy. It's energy. Write down EA is the activation energy. Activation energy. And T is a temperature, R is a constant, A is the Arrhenius factor. You can call it collision frequency. Okay, let us start. This is your Arrhenius occasion. Let us make more and more formulas. Taking natural logarithm on both sides. Natural logarithm K is equal to natural logarithm A. It is a power minus EA by RT. Natural logarithm E, which is equal to 1. Your answer become natural logarithm K is equal to natural logarithm A minus EA by t. Is it okay? Or you may call it log k is equal to log a minus EA by 2.303 RT. So this occasion, this formula we will take in the numerical. You just remember the formulas. No need to go to derivation part. I am solving because of the formula because to develop the formulas. So no need to remember this derivation. Just learn the formulas. K is equal to AE minus EA by RT. The second is log K is equal to log A minus EA by 2.303 RT. This occasion resembles with occasion of straight line. Y is equal to mx plus c. So if you plot a graph by taking y-axis on log k on y-axis and on x-axis 1 by t, your graph is straight line. Write down the slope is minus EA by 2.303 R, and the slope formula, slope numerical will also take in the next lecture. You can make it formula as well, the third formula. Okay, now let us start. Next part. Slope is minus EA by 2.303 R. Now after that, write down. Next, more derivations. Making change in temperature now. Log K1 is equal to log A minus EA by 2.303 RT1. Make it equation number 1. Log K2 is equal to log A minus EA by 2.303 RT2. Make it equation number 2. So you subtract these two equations. It becomes log K2 minus log K1 is equal to log A cancel. It's minus EA by 2.303 RT2 minus and minus more 1. It is EA by 2.303 RT1. I think it's clear. Let us take out the common. Minus become division in log. Log K2 minus log K1 is log K2 by K1 is equal to, take out the common, EA by 2.303 R, and inside the bracket will come minus minus plus 1 by T1 minus 1 by T2. 1 by T1 minus 1 by T2. Taking LCM, T1, T2, your answer will come T2 minus T1. And your final answer will become log K2 by K1 is equal to EA by 2.303 R T2 minus T1 by T1 T2. So this is all about your Arrhenius equation. The numericals of the Arrhenius equation and the theoretical part of the Arrhenius equation we will take tomorrow. There's just one lecture left of the chemical kinetics. Is it okay? So now what we have completed in this chapter, we have completed what is the rate of the reaction, how many types of rates, average and instantaneous, which rate is preferred, and the numericals related with the rate of disappearance of reactant is equal to the rate of appearance of product. This was my first lecture. And the second lecture I explained you what is a rate law, molecularity, order, mechanism, complex reactions, so many elementary reactions and the questions related with those. In the third topic I taken the numericals of the initial rate method and the derivations of the integrated rate law method. Today we have done the numericals and Arrhenius equation. And the next lecture I will take numericals of Arrhenius and the theoretical part. Thank you.